to do some Fitness Pilates standing warm-up ideas. So if you're teaching FP today or tomorrow, you could maybe use the Deep House. This is probably, it's not a new album, but it's one of my absolute go-to. Deep House Chill from Pure Energy Music. So definitely check it out. We've got a massive month for Fitness Pilates coming up in January. We've got a Fitness Pilates teacher training on the 3rd. We have got level 3 Pilates 10, 11, 12 Jan. We've got Champneys Fitness Pilates retreat on the 17th. We have got level 4 Fitness Pilates on the 31st. And we are launching the brand new level 3 long-term health conditions on the 31st also. It's going to be massive for Pilates education. So if you want the choreography today and all the details of the new courses, comment FP 2025 and we'll send everything over to you. So come and join me. Let me move my banner. That's a big banner, isn't it? Come and join me and let me know if you're teaching today and tomorrow. And let's just start with an easy little bit of a basic warm-up from the top. We're going to move with just a simple pelvic tilt forward and back. And again, I'll list all of the exercises, bit of a choreography breakdown on today's notes, and then lift one heel. So you're just moving all the tiny bones around the lumbopelvic area. And then add a small circle, but just keep the ribs stable and still. Circle around the other way. You could do this for longer. Again, now just find that middle and balance on your left leg. We're going to start with a brush. So I'm going to brush the leg forward and back. Again, keeping the pelvis just stable. You've got some extension, a tiny bit of flexion there. And then tap the right leg forward, side, together. And lift up onto your tiptoes for 2. And then repeat it on your left. Balance on your right. And then just brush forward and back. Good morning. How are you going? Are you all ready for Christmas? Take a tap to the front, to the side, to the back. Bring the feet together and raise onto your tiptoes. Okay, let's do it again. Add a brush forward and back. And then tap forward, side, back. Bring the feet apart and up onto your tiptoes for 2. And then on the left. So just brush forward and back. Here we go. Tap good morning. Side and back. Good morning, YouTube. You're on your tiptoes. And you could repeat that. Now the second time round, we're going to lift, abduction across the body and then tap. Forward, side, back together. Onto your tiptoes. One more. And then balance on your right leg. Out, cross in front, together. And then tap forward, center, back. And again, you could repeat that. Now let's go up onto your tiptoes. Now let's add a hip circle, external rotation, internal rotation, and then tap, forward, side and back, up onto your tiptoes. Good morning. Left side, external rotation, internal rotation. Go again, tap forward, side and back. Here we go, lift up onto your tiptoes. Now let's develop that with a single knee and abduction and then 2 hip extensions straight into the left side. Here we go. Single knee. We're out to the side. Good morning. Take it back and then up onto your tiptoes and then add a squat. Lovely. One more. Here we go. Can we put them all together? Let's go. Balance. And then brush, so 2 brushes, and then forward, side, back together, onto your tiptoes, and release, and then on your left, here we go, forward, 2 brushes, here we go, tap forward, side, and back, and then up onto your tiptoes, and then out to the side, hip abduction, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then tap forward, side, lift up onto your tiptoes. Good. One more. Good. Now left. Out across the body. Here we go. Tap forward. Team, if you're teaching today, what are you teaching? Oh no, you're doing a Christmas Eve workout. Let's go with a single knee. attention. Lean forward. This album is so lovely. Thing 1-8, definitely my go-to. I always think, oh, what shall I use? This is the one. Now, hip rotation, external and internal. And then up onto your tiptoes and sit back into a squat. Here we go, left, external and internal. And up onto your tiptoes and then squat. Now I'm going to take the left arm over for 2 and then punch across for 2 rotation. So you could use this in your warm-up. If you're doing a standing section, this would work. Good. Then change to the other side, left hand. So we have lateral flexion for 2. There we go, twist across. Do it again, go over the top. Good, now twist. One more. Now let's take a squat for 2, sit back. Now take the legs wider, so we have a wide squat, changing the angle of the femur, and then a narrow squat for 2. And then step forward, it's not a lunge, but you've got your back heel raised. And then bring it back together, 2 squats. And then step out with the other side, lift your back heel. And then bring it together, 2 squats. And then you could finish this little section with a roll down. Touch the floor and then come back up. And you could definitely expand on that this morning. Let me know what you thought. If you like these mini little ideas, good, and hold it. Fabulous. Hope you enjoyed that, gang. Again, if you're interested in getting the full choreography breakdown, just comment FP 2025. Let me put it in here, and then I'll send you that breakdown and all the details of the January Pilates sessions. All right, gang. Fab. Okay, better do the supporters briefing now. Right, I shall see you later. Thanks for tuning in this morning.